All right, pre-calc, here we go. We're in for some easier times with matrices. Our essential question today is, how do you perform operations with matrices? So we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Again, you can put all this in on a calculator if you learn how to do that. I will post a video on that after you work on this by hand, so I'll probably post it on Friday afternoon. The nice thing about adding, we're on lesson 7.5, we're doing operations. Adding, you're just going across, so it does look as simple as it is. You can only add a 2 by 2 with another 2 by 2 because the numbers have to identically line up, and your answer will also be a 2 by 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Negative 1 is negative 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Negative 3 and 6 is 3. So this is our answer for our 2 by 2 plus the other 2 by 2. Now be aware, because you know that curriculum is going to give you some that don't add up. No pun intended. All right, example 2. We have, remember, rows by columns. So this is a 2 by 3, and it's being added by another 2 by 3. Can we add these? Yes, you can. So let's go ahead and do that. Our answer will be a 2 by 3. So 1 plus 0 is 1. I love all these zeros. 5 plus 0, 5. Negative 3 plus 0, negative 3. More zeros. 0 plus negative 3, negative 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. I think you got the hang of it. Can we add? Oh, just kidding, we're subtracting. Make sure you pay attention to the sign. Because we're adding and subtracting, we're going to do the same things. Can we subtract a 3 by 1, again, rows by columns, with a 3 by 1? For sure we can. The answer will also be a 3 by 1. 4 minus a negative 2 is 6. Negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. And you know what's coming your way. You knew it was going to come. This one, rows by columns, is a 3 by 3. Can we add this to a 3 by 2? No, we can't. They have to be exactly the same. So this they call undefined as the answer. If you put can't work, no solution, I'll take all that good stuff. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is called scalar multiplication. I am going to write that out for you so you could see the word. You may not have seen that word before. Scalar multiplication. We do have an A and a B matrice here. They're both 3 by 2 matrices. So for example 6, I did skip example 5 because it's just more adding and subtracting. We are just taking negative 3 and we're multiplying each number through. And this is called scalar multiplication. So we're going to find the answer by multiplying. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Negative 3 times negative 1 is 3. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. And negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. So our answer is right there. All right, I'm going to let you guys push pause and try example 6, letter B. And I'm going to do that while I'm not talking. So I'm going to work that out as well. But you guys can pause it here and try that. All right, how'd you guys do? Now the nice thing is for this example, actually, they are actually taking the answers. So they're saying, hey, now we're going to take this answer that we just worked on right here, and we're going to add it with this answer right here. So I am going to just add them together. Since they're both right here, we know that this is going to be a 3 by 2, rows by columns. Negative 12 plus 0 is negative 12. 3 plus 8 is 11. 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. And negative 24 plus 14 is negative 10. So this will be our answer for example 6C. A lot of times you're going to have to do all those separately on your own, so just be prepared for that. All right, I'm skipping example 7, and I'm going to do a totally different video for multiplication. Have a good one.